Hiya, folks!
This is Dave here. Wrong. Dave is not able to join us tonight. Dave is in New York City.
That's right.
We're making a burp video from Pesci's Pizza at 1:11 in the morning.
That's right.
Hello, everybody. What's up? How are you doing? I love pizza. Pizza is good. Very good. Yeah.
This is great, folks.
We haven't been in a while. Our video is forever. Oh my God!
Okay, we gotta move. We gotta keep moving, folks.
We gotta keep
Let's
moving.
go.
Let's take a tour of Pesci's.
Tour of Pesci's.
This is the front room where people come and order food. People pick up their food here.
Oh. Yes, I'll take a large pizza, 20 wings, and that's it.
This is French fries for free.
Okay.
Here you go, folks. We're going to the fridge.
We're in the cooler.
In the cooler.
This is where we get the pizzas from. Right here.
I'm going to show the rolls.
Gross. Tomatoes.
Now we in the freezer.
This is where the freezer is.
Oh, I put that down for you.
It's cold in here. My nipples are freezing.
All right.
All right, people, let's move on.
Okay.
We're burning with the dough.
This is where they make dough in the morning.
The dough machine.
Turn it on.
Okay.
Right.
Oh my God, we're making dough.
I'm making burp dough. Okay.
All right. What's it? Here we go.
This is where we cook chicken wings.
Oh.
Hold on.
Chicken wing done.
Those are the dishwashers.
How you doing?
Oh my God, dude.
Thank you for coming to Pesci's. This is the delivery sign.
Oh fuck. All right. Come on. All right, that concludes our tour.
All right, folks.
Concludes our tour. I gotta finish my fucking work.
Bye-bye.